Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to talk about our Instagram page @GreatestMedical. As you watch the video, keep in mind which of these images should be our video thumbnail. First off, we have a great pimple pop, which appears to be originally from Dr. Vikram. And remember to check out the amazing pimple popping tools in the link below. Next, we have an individual who wound up with a knife in his back. Et tu, Brute? Fortunately, the knife did not penetrate any viable tissue or nerves. It was softly removed in surgery, and the patient did not have any complications afterwards. Next up is a serious case of ram's horn nail. Onychogryphosis is a nail disease that causes one side of the nail to grow faster than the other. Next up is a great dilated pore of the ear. Last, we have this incredible blackhead removal clip. Again, click the link below for a great set of pimple popper tools. So, comment below which of these clips deserves to be the thumbnail. The first blackhead, the knife, ram's horn nails, the dilated pore, or the blackhead removal clip. Vote with your comments. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. We'll see you next time.
Here is Karen Chen.
Flying into this opening triple Lutz, triple toilet combination.
Yeah!
Hi everyone, this is Olympic figure skater Karen Chen. I'm saying hi to Team Synergy. But yeah, if there's one thing I know, it is about diet and exercise. So stay dedicated to your hard work, diet, and keep up with the great work. So I love you guys so much and good luck with everything.
Karen sold it.